Howdy, happy May. I am going to go ahead and unbox our Thrive order today. This is a smaller order. We didn't need as much stuff this month, so we didn't have to get all of the things. We still got plenty. The Pacific brand almond milk, the vanilla unsweetened. I don't make my own. I'd like to, but I don't. So I try to buy 3. We're running out, so that way I don't have to pick them up at the store all the time. We've been getting the Thrive Market bone broth just to have some on hand for those moments when I don't have any, or I've forgotten to defrost what I do have. So I like to have that. We try to also stock up on some of their Thrive brand organic. They have the different nuts that are like ethically sourced, organic. So and it's a little bit cheaper because it's the Thrive brand instead. So I try to grab those. Dr. Bronner's soap. I always get the unscented, and then I just add my own Young Living oils to it. Almond butter, again Thrive brand, non-GMO, a little bit cheaper. Save money where you can. We actually bought 2 of these. I already opened one, so I'm only going to show you the one. This is my favorite ghee, absolutely my most favorite ghee on the planet. The grass-fed 4th and Heart ghee, Himalayan pink sea salt. It's heavenly. Check out their stuff. They have really good stuff. Jill's crackers. We love getting Jill's crackers. The only problem is that I want them all, and I try not to eat a lot of crackers because they're good, but they're not that nutrient dense. We already opened up the box of Primal Kitchen grass-fed collagen bars, dark chocolate and almond. Sorry for the antler in the background. Molly has found her antler. So Jim likes these. They have 15 grams of protein. I like them too. I just haven't been having collagen because it's been bothering me lately. So taking a break from it, and we'll try it again in a little while. Especially after this Candida cleanse, and I heal my gut up, in case you missed that. And it sounded like something else. Stocked up on chocolate. I try to make sure if I'm going to have chocolate, I have really high quality chocolate, and that's fair trade. That's kind of my biggest thing. It's not that it's dairy free. I mean, those are important too, soy free, all that. I try to avoid those, but really fair trade is what's my big thing, because chocolate, coffee, and bananas are your biggest source of modern day slavery, and other produce as well, but those are like the top 3. So I do what I can. This is fair trade cacao in it, so I know it is. Who chocolate. It's a paleo restaurant out of New York City, and these are just the most heavenly chocolate bars on the planet. They taste very sweet, even though they don't have much sugar in them. So I also love the Eating Evolved. My 2 favorite are the peppermint coconut butter cups and the coconut butter cups. Sorry, caramel sea salt. I'm like, coconut, duh. Caramel sea salt. We also got several packs of the Lion's Four Sigmatic mushroom coffee mix. This is Lion's Mane and Chaga. Jim really likes this. I don't drink coffee. He says it's smoother than regular coffee. And they do have new ones coming out. A matcha, I think, is not new. The chai is new, and the golden milk are new. And so I tried the golden milk at Expo West, and it was delicious. So I really like that, and I can't wait to be able to buy it. I stocked up on quite a few packages of the Lime Sea Snacks because I can't usually get it at the Whole Foods near me. And I love Lime Sea Snacks. They're awesome for when I'm trying to just get a little bit more vegetables in my day. And they have a lot of micronutrients. And I like that you can see here 100% olive oil. So this is why I like Sea Snacks as opposed to any of the other brands, is they're using olive oil instead of canola oil or whatever else, other oils the other companies are using. I buy the organic tampons from them for travel, and those times when you're not already ready for it to come because I also have the Thinx period underwear. So I like these organic cotton, free of chlorine and all the other crap that they put in tampons, and applicator free because that applicator is just going in the trash in the landfill. So trying to reduce my waste in all the possible ways. Okay, and the big other thing that we got this month from Thrive was 3 different kinds of sticks, beef jerky sticks. None of them are beef, actually. We tried this one last month, lime cilantro. You totally can't read that, that's backwards. Cilantro lime turkey made with free range turkey. Yeah, free range turkey. There is some sugar in this, 1 gram per stick. So I have some travel coming up today, and so I'll be taking some of those with me because I'm not sure. I know where I'm going and I've been to grocery stores nearby, but you never know what they're gonna have. This one's new to me. This brand, Field Trip brand, cracked pepper free range turkey. It's just cracked pepper turkey stick. So I think these were a little cheaper than the new Primal. Actually, maybe like $7 or $8 cheaper. So we'll see if I like them. This one has 2 grams of sugar per stick though, so it's a little bit more sugar. Which is not the end of the world, but I'm just really mindful of how much sugar I get in a day. And the other one we are trying from the new Primal. So 2 are new. One we've had is the barbecue recipe pork pepperoni stick thing. And this one also has 2 grams of sugar. So these ones are a little bit higher in sugar than the first one, but I'm not doing a 21-day sugar detox, so I think it's okay. All that, and I got a new book as a bonus when I placed an order of any Primal Kitchen product with which our collagen bar is qualified for. So we got the new Primal Blueprint book from Mark Sisson for free, which is pretty cool. I don't have this book, so I thought that would be a fun one to add, and it's a good reference guide for me and for clients. So that's what I got. If you are interested, I'll leave a link below to sign up for Thrive Market. For your first 3 orders, you get an extra 20% off, I believe. They're a pretty great company with good values, and they have the food I need at a better price, and I can order it all at once and get it shipped to my door. There is a yearly membership fee. It is, I believe it's $59 for the year, and but it's kind of like Costco, and everything's cheaper than Whole Foods, so I'm getting things at a discount. So I know I'm making that. I'm definitely getting my money back from that membership, and then shipping is free over $49, which I usually try to just place like 1 order a month, something like that. So anyways, have a great day. Take care.